Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this KENSEN Series S11 electric razor for men. It's wet and dry electric shaver and it's rechargeable. So it means it is cordless full face shaver. LED display IPX6 waterproof. It's a travel shaver with pop-up Sideburns trimmer. It's really cool, as you can see. The three-stage cutting system uses the intercept tool for pre-trimming longer hairs and two flexible foils for close shaving. This man's electric razor here for shaving the face with a precision trimmer for moustache, sideburns, trimming, and long beards. The man's electric shaver here, floating precision system with three shaving blades, adapts to facial contours for a fast and close shave. This electric razor here is both efficient and comfortable in that its hypoallergenic blades glide through hair smoothly. It's making it incredibly easy to shave without irritating skin. And the electric razor here takes about 1.5 hours to fully recharge, and the battery life is up to 100 minutes. The razor here supports plug and shave. This means you can use the USB charging system. We can keep it charged anywhere we have a USB port, like in the car, computer, laptop, wall, cube, power bank, and so many other places. Your smartphone, AC adapter, for example. This shaver here is waterproof, rated IPX6. It supports whole body wash. Also, we can enjoy the shaving in the shower. No matter wet shave with gel or foam or dry shave are equal perfect. We can conveniently rinse the shaver head under running water for easy and hygienic cleaning after the shaving is done. And you can see it's an easy handle device. KENSEN, because KENSEN has really much experience with it. KENSEN is an e-commerce company specializing in the sale of body hair trimmers and electric shavers, which was established in 2019. Committed to the goal of bringing men a wonderful grooming experience, they keep it up, strong our lives. They are going to keep working on that, and that's right, because every model will be better, I think. It's not the first product by KENSEN here at my studio, but it's one of the best. Floating close shave, IPX6 waterproof. We have a pop-up trimmer. We have an LED display, a Type-C charging, and a higher RPM. We can use it for wet shaving or dry shaving as you like. We shave wet in the shower or dry at the sink with the wet-dry convenience. And we can shave with or without foam, cream, or gel, because we have 3D floating head. The floating shaving elements gently adapt to our skin and captures the hair even in hard-to-reach areas. Close and gentle shave make it possible. We have a smart LED display. The LED display reminds us the remaining shaving time, the cleaning time, and the battery level. The travel lock avoids additional power consumption. And we have a precision pop-up trimmer. Instantly engage the precision pop-up shaving trimmer to quickly and easily detail sideburns and moustache, or trim down a long stubble before we shave. Comfortable. And the IPX6 waterproof level means that it makes it fully washable and allows us to use it in the shower for a refreshing shaving experience. Or while you are maybe you have a workout, okay, yeah, and it's raining so much and stormy weather outside, but you have to go to run. But it's no time. You have to to immediately go to run. Oh, no problem, but your battery's not good. So no problem. Take this shaver with you while you're running, and you can shave your skin while you're running. Easier? That's a good idea. That KENSEN Series S11 for you. It's an electric fork shaver. The model number is FK609. The size is 158 to 66 to 60 millimeter. The weight is 165 gram with a power supply method USB-C, and it's rechargeable, of course. The rated voltage here are 100 up to 240 volt. It means your standard AC adapter will work with it. 50 up to 60 watt. The battery capacity is 600 milliampere hour. The rated output is 5 watt. The charging time is 1.5 hours, and it's for shaving your beards. Okay, the waterproof rating is really cool. That means you can clean it under running water, and of course you can make a shower while you're shaving. Oh yeah, it's easy to use. We press the switch to turn on the power. We gently press the outer blade at a right angle to the skin. Then we steady the skin with one hand a little and shave while rotating in a straight line. After use, we press the switch to turn it off the power, and then we can clean it under running water, for example. Of course, there is another thing, the trimmer. We press the trimmer switch to turn on the trimmer. Okay, easy. That's really easy because the mechanism is running and you can additional use the trimmer. We put the trimmer on our face and shave the sideburns up and down. We shaved easily. Why? Because if there are longer hairs, it's better to cut them with the trimmer before we make we use the wet and dry electric shaver on the skin itself. Then we can replace or remove the shaver head. To maintain the shaving performance of our shaver, it is recommended to replace the outer blades at least once a year and the inner blades every 2 years. I think that is a thing. I'm using shavers much longer. But if you are everyday shaver, you should perform this, of course. But if you're not an everyday shaver, maybe once a week, all 3 years is enough, I think, though. We can care and store it easily. We wash the shaver with liquid soap. We're washing it shaver regularly while prevent bacteria from growing and keep the shaver in a good condition. We apply liquid soap to the outer blade. We turn on the power and the wash and run under running water. We wipe the shaver with a dry cloth and place it in a dry environment. Job's done. Easy geezy, yeah. That's so easy. You can perform this, and it makes a good job on my skin. This is the KENSEN electric razor for men. This is the KENSEN Series S11 electric fork shaver, designed for men's shaving. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. So.